Hello and welcome, it's Andy and this is Training the Right Way. This new series is about Shotcut video editor. Shotcut is an open source, free of charge video editing package. It is very quirky and also still being updated. If you have used another package, you may find this one really annoying because it's certain things that it does differently. And of course, if you've used, let's say, Sony Vegas and expect the keyboard to be the same, and of course I found it very difficult to transition. But yes, and also there is a limited number of effects and transitions because it doesn't really have that facility but you can make your own if you're that way inclined, and of course we'll show you that in the more advanced videos. But we're going to start off with beginner's guide and then work up to the more advanced stuff later on. So thank you for watching and enjoy.